This replacement for Samsung's Smart TV remote control, Rechar is a practical and convenient solution for users needing a reliable substitute remote for Samsung's Smart TVs. It focuses on essential everyday control while introducing a rechargeable battery design that removes the need for constant disposable battery changes. This adds both convenience and long-term cost savings while also being more environmentally friendly. The build quality feels lightweight, yet durable enough for daily use. The button layout is familiar, making it easy to adapt for anyone used to Samsung's Smart TV remotes. Navigation through apps, menus, and settings is responsive, with buttons offering clear tactile feedback to reduce misclicks. Pairing is generally straightforward, helping users get back to viewing quickly without complicated setup. One of the key advantages is its rechargeable functionality, which makes daily usage more convenient. Instead of constantly replacing batteries, you can simply recharge the remote when needed. This is especially helpful for households that frequently use streaming apps and smart TV features. Performance remains stable during regular use, making it reliable for both light and heavy viewing habits. In terms of compatibility, it works with a wide range of Samsung's Smart TV models, making it a flexible replacement option. Whether navigating apps, adjusting volume, or switching inputs, it handles essential functions smoothly. It feels like a natural extension of the TV experience without requiring a learning curve. Overall, this replacement remote is a solid choice for anyone looking to restore full control of their Samsung Smart TV without paying for an original manufacturer remote. Its rechargeable design, easy usability, and dependable performance make it a strong everyday accessory for modern smart TV setups.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.